Hello and welcome back. On my Ubuntu Mate desktop here, I have an untitled folder that I created and I don't need it. So normally to delete something like this you would right click, scroll down to the delete option, but there is no delete option function here as you drop down. So we need to enable that. We need to turn that on. So what I want to do here is to open up the file browser. And with Ubuntu Mate, it's Kaha or Kaja. Let's go to Edit, Preferences, scroll to Behavior, and let's go ahead and go all the way down to include a delete command that bypasses trash. We'll click that. Close this out. And let's see if now we can delete this. So right click, and right here, right below, move to trash, click delete. Are you sure? Yep. Since I checked, there's nothing in there. Delete that. And that's how you can enable the delete function in Ubuntu Mate. Now I have tested this in regular Ubuntu and it's the same procedure as far as I could tell. So if you wanted to include a delete function, if you're running an Ubuntu system, then this is how you do it. Well, speaking of Ubuntu, check out the latest Ubuntu 5 show, Windows versus Linux. If you haven't already, check out all of them. You know, I've been doing this for 13 years, running Linux for 13 years, and YouTube for 9 years. And I've had two goals with Linux. One is to expose or tell Windows users that you do have options out there. And number two, I want Linux desktop market share to go above 2%. So we need a national or global Linux desktop. I've chosen Ubuntu. Now, it doesn't have to be that one, of course, but they seem to have the best available resources for having a national or global Linux desktop for the masses of Windows users who want an alternative to Windows 10. All right, that's all I have for this one. If you have any questions, post them below in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.